the space between us, the space around us, and also the space inside us. So ākāśa consists of sky, earth, then it also has the 4 elements. ākāśa will have the 4 elements. Can you tell me the 4 elements? Earth, water, fire, vāyu, air.
Now the bell is able to create this sound because of this space inside. Because of this space inside, movement can happen. This movement is helping the sound to come. Okay? So we'll start our warm-up today. But this warm-up is going to be a little different. Stop! What is this? Stomach. Oh, let's feel the stomach. Let us start. What is this? Chest. Ready? Go. Knees, feet. 1, 2, 3, and jump. Left. It's going down. Up. Yes. Now the star wants to go back. Star is going, looking back. Yes. The size of your body. So we can only move our head, our fingers, our toes. Now slowly the box is getting bigger. So we have more space to dance. I can move my body. Yes? It's just the box that you have. You can dance with your toes, your hands. You can move your feet. Just your space. Yeah. The space around me, inside the box. This entire space is for me. Yes. Okay. Let's wake ourselves. Yeah. Have you ever heard the sky saying, "No clouds, you can't come in my space. No moon, you can't enter in my space."
Similarly, we also learn to welcome all. So first, we sit in a rocket, we charge ourselves, and we go up in space. When we reach space, like I said, there is no gravity and oxygen.
And start! And jump! 2, 3, and spin! Spin, spin, spin! Some planets around the sun were going very slowly. Similarly, we all are different like planets. I'm not okay when someone comes too close. When someone comes too close to the bubble and tries to touch us, we can tell them, I'm not okay with that. Your mind, your emotions, they need space too. They need time to rest, time to think. I told you the sky welcomes everyone. The sky welcomes the star, the moon, the clouds, birds, everyone. Everyone is connected by this thread today. So we will dance together. Alright? Let's keep the stool down. On the together, we'll go up. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. I say down, we all will come down. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so everyone will go to our right. Ready? Go to our right. Now let's go to our left. Let's go to our right again. Now we go to the left. Keep your eyes closed. Earth,